God play the game, bro. Watch this. Look, anything you see, shoot. Anything. Oh, man. I'm not messing with these arrows. I'm not messing with these arrows. Do it again. Do it again. See, I was about to leave. Do it again. Do it again. Now open up.
He waited in the end of the vent. Wow! We're getting jumped. We're getting jumped. We're getting jumped. Who programmed these animatronics? Who programmed them? Who programmed them? Because that was sick. That was actually sick. My stomach.
Before we continue, I would like to say, for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, like, ring the bell, and share.
Escape the basement, be quiet? He's a bone collector! Mom! Okay. Oh, there's gonna be like bones and shit? Take it. Let's go play I'm sorry?